Good evening, my friends. Tonight, we're embarking on a culinary journey to create 6 dinner recipes that aren't just delicious, but also brimming with love and vitality. Each dish is a testament to how food can nourish not only our bodies, but our souls. Let's prepare meals that speak the language of love, thoughtful, wholesome, and unforgettable. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video so the magic of these recipes can spread far and wide. Now let's begin. As we create these dishes, it's important to remember that every ingredient is chosen with care, not just for its flavor, but for the way it cares for us. Quinoa and chickpeas in our Mediterranean Chickpea and Quinoa Bowl are like the steady rhythm of a heartbeat, strong and reliable, giving us the energy to embrace life and love fully. The fresh, vibrant vegetables in the bowl are nature's way of saying, "I've got your back," offering antioxidants and vitamins to protect us from harm. This dish is a reminder that even in simplicity, there's an elegance that touches the heart. For our Mediterranean chickpea and quinoa bowl, you will need 1 cup quinoa cooked, 1 can chickpeas rinsed and drained, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1 cucumber diced, 1 small red onion finely chopped, 2 tablespoons fresh parsley chopped, 2 tablespoons tahini, juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Rinse 1 cup of quinoa and cook it in 2 cups of vegetable broth. Simmer for 15 minutes until fluffy. Dice cucumber, half cherry tomatoes, and chop parsley and onion. Mix tahini, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Layer quinoa, chickpeas, veggies, and drizzle with the dressing. Garnish with parsley. And here are the health benefits for this dish. Quinoa is a complete protein packed with all 9 essential amino acids for muscle repair and energy. The chickpeas is high in fiber. They promote digestion and help stabilize blood sugar levels. And the vegetables is loaded with antioxidants and vitamins to boost your immune system. Moving on to our lemon herb grilled salmon, imagine this. The rich, buttery taste of salmon, kissed by the freshness of lemon and dill. Each bite feels like a warm embrace, and beneath its luxurious flavor lies a secret, a wealth of omega-3 fatty acids that keep our heart strong, our mind sharp, and our skin glowing. Lemon adds a burst of brightness, not just to the palate, but to our immune systems, keeping us vibrant and ready to take on the world. For our lemon herb grilled salmon, we will need 2 salmon fillets, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 lemon sliced, 2 tablespoons fresh dill chopped, salt and pepper to taste. Prepare the salmon by rub fillets with olive oil, garlic, dill, salt, and pepper. Heat a grill pan over medium-high heat. Cook the salmon skin side down for 4 to 5 minutes per side. Finish by squeeze fresh lemon juice over the salmon and garnish with lemon slices. Here are the health benefits for this dish. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, promoting heart health and reducing inflammation. We all know that garlic is a natural immune booster, loaded with antioxidants, and lemon is packed with vitamin C. It supports skin health and enhances iron absorption. This lemon herb grilled salmon is elegant and effortless, perfect for a romantic evening. Our creamy Tuscan chicken is more than a dish. It's a love story. The tender chicken symbolizes strength, while the creamy sauce with its sun-dried tomatoes and spinach adds richness and depth, much like the layers of a meaningful relationship. Spinach, with its iron and vitamins, lifts us when we're tired, while sun-dried tomatoes whisper promises of heart health and vitality. It's a dish that feels like home, comforting and warm. For our creamy Tuscan chicken with spinach and sun-dried tomatoes, 2 chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 cup fresh spinach, 1/4 cup sun-dried tomatoes chopped, 1 cup cashew cream or heavy cream, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste. Let's start. Cook the chicken by season with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Sear in olive oil until golden. Make the sauce by sauté garlic. Add cashew cream, spinach, and sun-dried tomatoes. Return the chicken to the pan and simmer for 5 minutes. The health benefits for this dish is that chicken is a lean protein source, helping build and repair tissues. Spinach is high in iron, essential for energy production, and sun-dried tomatoes is rich in lycopene, promoting heart health. This creamy Tuscan chicken is a hearty, indulgent dish that's secretly good for you. In our veggie-packed stir-fry with tofu, we celebrate life's kaleidoscope of colors. Each vegetable adds its unique charm, like a symphony of flavors that come together in perfect harmony. The tofu, a gentle source of plant-based protein, provides the foundation, while ginger adds a spicy spark, waking up our senses and aiding digestion. This dish is a vibrant celebration of health and joy, reminding us to savor every moment. For our veggie-packed stir-fry with tofu recipe, we will need 1 block tofu, cubed, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 red bell pepper, sliced, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 cup snap peas, 2 carrots, julienned, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon grated ginger. Toss the tofu cubes with soy sauce and cornstarch and pan fry until crispy. Sauté ginger in sesame oil, add veggies and stir fry for 5 to 7 minutes. Add tofu back to the pan and toss. This dish is full of health benefits such as the Tofu A, that has great plant-based protein and a source of calcium. The broccoli is rich in vitamin K and calcium, supporting bone health, and ginger aids digestion and has anti-inflammatory properties. This stir-fry is perfect for busy nights. As we spiralize zucchini for our zucchini noodles with pesto and grilled shrimp, we're creating something light yet undeniably satisfying. Zucchini, so humble and fresh, carries with it a gift of low calories and high nutrients, while the pesto, rich with basil, pine nuts, and parmesan, brings a bold, passionate flavor that feels indulgent. The shrimp, tender and delicate, brings lean protein and selenium to support a healthy metabolism. Together, this dish feels like a love letter to both flavor and health. Our number 5 recipe, zucchini noodles with pesto and grilled shrimp. We will need 2 zucchinis spiralized, 12 shrimp peeled and deveined, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 cup fresh basil leaves, 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup pine nuts, 2 garlic cloves, 1/3 cup olive oil for pesto. Toss shrimp with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Grill for 2 minutes per side. Blend basil, parmesan, pine nuts, garlic, and olive oil until smooth. Toss zucchini noodles with pesto and top with shrimp. Finally, we arrive at our Moroccan Spiced Lentil Stew, a dish that feels like a warm hug on a cold night. Lentils, so unassuming, are a powerhouse of protein and fiber, quietly nurturing us with strength and stability. The warm spices, cinnamon, cumin, and paprika, are like sparks of romance, bringing depth and comfort to every spoonful. It's a dish that stays with you, just like the most cherished memories. This Moroccan spiced lentil stew is comfort in a bowl, rich, hearty, and full of love. For this dish, we will need 1 cup lentils, 1 can diced tomatoes, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 onion, diced, 1 carrot, diced, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 garlic cloves, minced. Cook onion, garlic, and carrot in olive oil until softened. Add spices and lentils. Stir in cumin, paprika, cinnamon, lentils, and tomatoes. Add broth and cook for 30 minutes until lentils are tender. The health benefits for this dish shows that lentils is high in plant-based protein and iron, essential for energy. Cinnamon regulates blood sugar and boosts metabolism, and carrots is rich in beta-carotene, promoting eye health. Every meal we've made tonight is a gift, crafted with love and care to nourish not just our bodies but our hearts. These dishes remind us that food can be so much more than sustenance. It's a way to connect, to show love, and to cherish the moments we share with those we hold dear. Which recipe will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, love begins in the kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video so we can inspire more people to create meals with meaning. Happy Valentine's Day and happy cooking!